This one is a smoky, spicy twist on a classic burger of mine that I call the Big Smack. And it's smoky for several reasons. We're going to add some smoky, meaty bacon. The reason I have the pieces is so once it shrinks up, it's exactly the size of a burger. 375 to 400. I wouldn't go higher than 400. And you want to let the bacon go about 15 to 18 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it. So this is 80-20, 20% fat, ground beef, ground sirloin. I'm going to season it up with kosher salt, coarse black pepper, a palmful of smoked sweet paprika, half a palmful of dry mustard, adding the Good Buddies half a palmful each of granulated garlic and onion. They like to hang together. And I love Worcestershire sauce on ground turkey or ground beef. Combine the meat and put it back into an even mound in your bowl. Score the meat into even sections before you start forming patties. And then you know you're pulling equal amounts of meat. You don't make 3 large burgers, 1 tiny burger. We've got our smoky patties in the pan cooking up. Over here, we're going to make our smoky special sauce. I'm going to start with a base of sour cream, ketchup. That's the bottle, not me. Some relish, your basic building blocks of Russian dressing, Thousand Island, whatever you want to call it. I like a little Worcestershire in this as well. And then the thing that makes it smoky, a little salt and pepper, of course. You can use pureed chipotle and adobo, or I love chipotle Tabasco. So I'm going to add, a good tablespoon or so and go up from there of the smoky chipotle sauce. Pickles and onions, a little bit of shredded or chopped iceberg lettuce. Our smoky burgers covered with white American cheese. Now, this is what I'm talking about with the bacon. You see, you put it all the way across, so every single bite and then our bun tops with our smoky sauce.